Hi everyone. Imagine this. A time bomb is about to go off, and we know it is somewhere in this room, but you cannot leave. What do? Let's make it harder. There are many time bombs in this very room, and you cannot find them. What do you feel? Actually, that is the situation we have now in our daily life. Every person in this room has experienced climate change. Heat waves, floods, hurricanes, you name it. But what is triggering these time bombs? Well, climate change has many causes, but according to the World Bank, over half of global warming is because of methane emissions. Right now, natural gas companies, waste and the cattle industries are paying billions of dollars every year trying to detect and monitor the emissions across their vast operations. But it's hard to do. Just imagine yourself carrying a monitoring device on your shoulder, driving along miles of pipelines trying to detect methane leakages. The current solutions are expensive, time-consuming and labor-intensive. So how are we going to monitor methane emissions and fight global warming? Our startup, Bluefield, is measuring the emitters on Earth by using remote sensors in space. We are creating something like a Google map, but instead of showing locations, we show emissions. This is how it works. Instead of building big, expensive satellites, we are launching backpack-size microsatellites. We install the remote sensor on the microsats, and as they orbit the Earth, they capture the data. Have a look here. On the left, no gas is visible. On the right, you see the raw data from our sensor. To understand its meaning, we apply AI, and now you can clearly see the methane emission is where the red area is. By doing that, we know who is emitting, how much methane, where and when. Now, instead of spending billions of dollars sending people and trucks around, companies can subscribe to our data service and see their methane emissions with a swipe. NASA says there are no showstoppers in our technology. We've received investment from a Silicon Valley VC. We've signed contracts with clients, and we've scheduled launch for our first 2 microsatellites. My co-founder and CTO is a scientist with 25 years experience for NASA, and I myself have spent the past decade creating and leading a high-impact solar energy company. If you want to defuse a time bomb, you have to know where it is. Bleufield is here to map the leading cause of climate change, and our mission is to keep Earth cool.